Hi and welcome to the training course for the AWS Certified Solution Architect Certification Associate 2020. This course is meant to help you acquire the competence required in order to pass the certification. This training is 24-hour long and is quite complex. We'll cover numerous concepts that are extremely interesting and that can be transposed on our businesses. In order to better understand this course, it's necessary to have a few notions in IT. This preparation course will include videos covering each model and its associated documentation. Amazon offers more than 90 services to its customers. However, we'll focus on only 30 of them, in particular those relating to the management of infrastructures. You might wonder what AWS is. AWS is the cloud platform owned by the Amazon Group. Today, it allows companies and consumers to have access to servers and services such as load balancers that are easily scalable and manageable. Since its creation in 2006, AWS has become one of the main actors in the market. In 2017, AWS offered over 90 services to its customers, working for many corporate leaders such as Netflix and the Amazon retail site itself. And of course, there is other companies that are using the Amazon Web Services. What are we going to learn for this course? As explained before, we will explore the 30 main services that allow us to control and monitor an infrastructure on the AWS platform. There is no need to focus on the acronyms of these services since we'll come back to them later on.